Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be using the Glaminatrix Cosmetics palette, the Rich Romantic. First time I've ever used it. I got it for my birthday off my good friend Lisa. It's just so stunning. So we all know what it looks like, but that's what it looks like there. Right, so I honestly don't know what to wear. Have you seen that? That looks like it's getting infected. That's to do with the seborrheic dermatitis, apparently. I don't really see how, because seborrheic dermatitis is to do with your scalp, and that's travelled a long way from my scalp if it's got anything to do with it. I think I need to go back to the doctors. What I wanted to do, I think I might still do it. What I wanted to do is use Admire, then put that over the top of it, blend it out with Intoxicating, and I think that's it. I do want to do a few looks with this palette. Whether I'll do them in videos, I don't know. But for now, I'm just going to be doing the first impressions on it. Let's get some brushes. So I did have every intention to using this palette sooner, but I've been using all my Project Pan stuff. I actually did my Shop My Stash 3 weeks ago, so I'm going to have to take it over by at least a week, I think, so I can use the two palettes I pulled in for my Shop My Stash. Just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Let's go in with this BK Beauty brush. Just gonna run any colour off. What I really need is this brush actually. This is from Jessup Beauty. Just taking the colour off. I think it's all off now. Okay, so again, we're going into Admire first. So I'm going to stamp it on. The brush barely fits in. I'm going to stamp it on from the lid and going into the crease, then we'll blend the crease out. Like that. It just gets it over the lid quicker. There's a bit of a mess over there. And I'm just going to keep building it up, because we need quite a strong base for that shade. And I think that'll do, and then I'll blend it out in a minute. Just do the left eye first. Have any of you guys gone and bought the pastel palette that they brought out recently, Glaminatrix? I didn't fancy it. I've got a lot of gorgeous pastel eyeshadow palettes, and I just thought, no. Plus I'm on the no buy. I didn't think it was a palette worth breaking the no buy for. I don't think anything is worth breaking my no buy for. I might change my mind on that. And I feel like I've done well, just purely because I have had moments of depression in the last couple of months, and I still haven't caved. Part of me now feels like I just don't want anything. Sorry, that mirror's in the way. I feel like I've got enough makeup. I've probably got every colour story I'll ever need. Okay, I'm going to use this Revolution palette just for the brow bone, that one. feel like we need to deepen it out in the outer V. Let's see what we can do that with. Oh, there's a lot of fallout, look. Shall we go in with Cherish, this one here? And if we need to, I'll go in with the other shade to deepen it up even more. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use my Refa 13 brush. Not really a lover of purple, but yeah, let's do it. Could do the smaller mirror, really. Use this then. Oh, I've gone into Intimate by mistake. Let's put some on here to make it even darker. And then we'll mix Cherish and Intimate together. And I'm going to try and get a purple eyeliner. I think there's one in my Shop My Stash drawer. Let's just get the glitter on though first. So it's just the normal one. I say the normal one, I mean the usual. I wasn't going to do this video, I was just going to do Instagram. Like put everything on Instagram, but a few people have said that they're looking forward to me using it. And I don't know if I'm going to do more looks. Just because, like I said, you know, there's not very much interest. I would rather do a live if I'm going to do looks like this. You know, because you don't have to edit. I mean, you can edit, but you don't have to, and I tend to not. Right, let's get this eyeliner. Okay, so I've got two. So first of all, we'll tightline with my Ted Baker one. I think I'm going to take this mirror protectant off. Okay, that'll do. I always struggle with the left eye. And then for the purple I was telling you about, I want to use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Vice. Ignore the banging upstairs, guys. So, the tenant's been away forever. And he just moved back now. Because he's broken up with his girlfriend. And he's moving things around constantly. It's starting to really piss me off. Might have to have a word if it carries on. Especially if it carries on like early hours like it has been. You know, there's just no need for it. Have some consideration for your neighbours, for goodness sake. Okay, so now is the piece de resistance. I hope this looks nice. If not, I'll have to go in with one of the other pinker shades like this one or this one. So we'll try Romantic first. We'll try it on the inner corner part, just in case it doesn't work out the way my vision thinks it's going to work out. Oh, I need that. It's more, I thought it was going to be more pinker. It's more orange. Oh well. I think it would have looked better with Devotion. Doesn't matter, we'll just carry on with this. I mean, morning to night, all they're doing is shifting furniture. You wouldn't think that they would have that much furniture to shift. And then the other day, he had a cooker and a fridge out there. And it's been picked up, which is fair enough. But it wasn't in good condition, let me just say that. Oh, look at that eye. I think I'm going to go over, though, with a pink. Just because I'm wearing this pink top. I just hate selfish people. You know, it doesn't really take a lot to have consideration for your neighbours, I don't think. Right, so we've done romantic, so let's go in with rich. I don't know how this is going to look, but yeah, let's go in with that. Ooh. It's not looking any different on camera, but it is to me. It's going more golden. Okay. Right, I'm just going to use this Quibest Sky High. Right. Lipstick time. I'll use this Wet n Wild one. I'm trying to use, because they're in a lipstick project palette, a few lipsticks. Well, I think I've got 5 in total. So I need to use them at least 5 times each before I can do the update. I don't think the update's due till next week anyway. I absolutely love this colour. Yeah, so beautiful. It's a really nice matte. Right. And then I'm going to mix romantic and rich together. And I'm just going to tap it all over the lid. I just don't know what to do in the inner corners now. Oh, actually, we can put Captivate in there. So for the inner corner, I think I'm going to use this lightest pink one in the palette. I don't think that's shifty. I'll have to look at what Glaminatrix say about this palette, because I don't think they're all shifty shades, whereas in the Nocturnal palette, they're all kind of shifty shades. They're all duochromes. I need to figure out which are multichromes in this palette, which are duochromes. And I think this one here is just a normal shimmer from the swatches I did earlier. I did a short earlier because I didn't think I'd done one, and I like to, when I get a new palette, put a short up with it. And there was already the swatches of it, so I had to take it down because I didn't want to on there. Right, so that's good. Okay then, so this is the overall finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, it really does help get my channel out there. Share and comment. And if you're new here and like beauty content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to welcome you into my little fam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.